What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Gifto, also known as GFT, which has pumped up just over 30% in the last 24 hours. And as you guys can see, the pump literally started earlier this morning and it is still ongoing, currently valued at just over 2 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to drop down in value, how high can it go. So essentially looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024, which is just around the corner. Is this a crypto worth investing into, and if so, is it right now the best time to invest? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up higher, potentially hitting 10 cents over the coming months? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gifto, which is here in purple at 0.0173 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in green at just over 2 cents, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. And again, it is looking quite steep, meaning first of all it's not realistic. It's looking quite steep because of the major pump that's taken place, and the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So guys, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting Gifto to have dropped in value, not heavily, potentially still trading over 2 cents, but at a lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially around 0.020 cents. So just above that price target is where I'm expecting Gifto to be trading at by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. Of course not. It's likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again the blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Once again, both the lines are not looking realistic because they are looking way too steep guys, and I'm not expecting Gifto to be pumping in this direction at that pace over the next week. That is inaccurate. Over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Gifto to be trading at a slower value than where it is at the moment, potentially dropping down to 0.016 cents, somewhere around that price target is where I'm expecting Gifto to be trading at by the end of next week. So do expect more red days over the coming days, but it's not going to be full of red days. We are going to see the odd green day here and there in between. But again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So guys, do expect an overall minimal drop in value from Gifto over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The orange line is looking much more realistic, is not looking steep at all, but however the blue line is looking quite steep. So one of them is realistic and one of them isn't. So an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Gifto over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late January 2024, early next year. I am expecting Gifto to have gone for an increase in value, potentially higher than where it is at the moment, but lower than the 3 cents target. So between 0.025 and 0.03 cents, somewhere in between this price range is where I'm expecting Gifto to be hovering around in January 2024, as I'm also expecting the crypto market to be moving towards a positive direction, with Bitcoin hitting over $40,000 by the end of the month and early January as well. But again, with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, may have a shaky end to Bitcoin in about Q1, Q2 of 2024, which I will be covering in my future updates and future videos. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. But before I get into that, just a little announcement. I do have a Telegram group chat, guys. The link to that will be in the description box down below. Usually $29.99 a month. However, I had to plug you guys with the discount code for 50% off to make it $14.99. Use code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members only. So what happens once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys what my predictions are, updates are on mainly Bitcoin, as that is what controls the market in a bullish and bearish direction, and keeping us posted. Also, you guys can ask questions on other cryptos, analysis, predictions, and so on. The other chat is another chat where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I'm a long-term trader, meaning I don't buy and sell cryptos on a regular basis. But when I do, I get in at a very good price and I sell at a very good price as well. So yeah, link is in the description box down below if you guys are interested. So back to Gifto, we are trading in the red zone and we've got quite a long way to hit the green zone. We need to hit 5 cents in target, which we should be able to hit by mid-year next year, guys. I'm expecting Gifto to be trading in the green zone by mid next year and potentially heading higher than that towards the end of next year. So in the second half of next year and Q4, I'm expecting Gifto to be hitting the 10 cents target if my predictions go to plan and if it carries on going in a bullish direction at a slow and steady pace. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,000%, making it $32 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So let's have a look. According to Binance, is the third top gainer in the last 24 hours, meaning it is getting a lot of attention from a lot of traders right now. Let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys buying the crypto right now? Are you guys selling it, or are you holding back? Comment down below. And also, what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Gifto to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.